The secret to getting sub-10 is 1. Good cross solution. A good cross solution determines the first pair you'll see after the cross. If you can't do it, then move faster. When doing the cross, a good cross should take 1 to 2 seconds. 2. Cross to F2L transition. Reducing the time to look for a pair means a faster time. You can do the X-cross if you want. Top cubers do this trick. 3. Practice your OLL and PLL algorithms. The more you're familiar with the move, the less you'll experience lockups. You can use it as a warm-up exercise before your cubing session. And the most important thing, 4. Move faster. You'll be able to move faster if you are already proficient with F2L and look ahead.
Oh, sub-8, nice.
Last but not the least, 5. Practice your one-handed solve. Doing one-handed solve is similar to doing a slow solving. You'll see different ways to solve a pair. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.